Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall today.
Take a ride in the 2016 Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features, the Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, air conditioning, driver airbag, power steering, driver side remote mirror, alloy wheels, cruise control. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.
Visit Ford Country in the Valley Auto Mall